Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Police gypsy set ablaze at Meghalaya police station, culprits at large. Altercation erupts between KSU leaders and police over arrests in Ichamati incident. Initiative empowers parents of children with Down syndrome in Meghalaya. And HYC leaders advocate for improved power infrastructure in border areas. And now the news in detail. In the wee hours of April 3rd around 2:30 a.m., an unsettling incident unfolded at Meghalaya police station as unidentified culprits targeted a parked police gypsy, engulfing it in flames. Eyewitnesses reported two individuals on a scooty swiftly hurling a petrol bomb onto the station's premises before fleeing the scene. Authorities have initiated a thorough investigation into the matter, registering a case against the perpetrators. As of now, the culprits remain at large, leaving the community on edge as they await further developments in this alarming act of vandalism and potential threat to law enforcement. Tension escalated at Sora police station as leaders of KSU South Khasi Hills, Ruben Najar, Assistant Secretary of CEC, and Ribok Dingdo, President of the unit, demanded clarification regarding the arrest of two KSU members suspected in the Ichamati incident. The situation quickly turned confrontational, leading to an altercation between the KSU representatives and law enforcement. The incident underscores mounting friction between authorities and local organizations, highlighting the need for transparent communication and resolution of grievances through peaceful means. Authorities are urged to address concerns promptly to prevent further escalation in the community.
Don kan tangka investigate don kan inquiry ke don kan ya dai cuma tidak sesuai police station mentah cuma pengambilan mengasih keluar makin Pak ya kan ni pendapat ba ni buka ban kali dah buka punya kerang ai bertempat ba pindan lah dia bisnak betul dia kan yang ini begini kilek no si tengmi piman awalnya siapa presiden kamu ni keren ingin betai ki kena apa pin sukan ke bawah datin kan dengar waktu kataan tangi suspek ayu suspek ayu pada pi orang ICTV cam pada katakan suspek ayu pada pi cam Mapi pilih kem di kau ni, atau piwan tang sangut. Atau piwan tang sangut. Piwan tang sangut tinggi kompor. Kita di piang bagi nyalikan sport insya tang sangut. Kata kabang tang sangut insya. Nimla air ban pedang kat ni ningut hantai. Malamlah. Kata kasong api. Kasong api kata. Kalau ni. Kebadan kahya imdan kam ban yakaran hapo saukan ro dengan dipiko ban yakaran yang madam ru ni hakaran ke office badan ke office takadaw ikot ke office takadaw ikot ke office aba pipi ong kapakadan ke office tebeli pi ira ki dukot pi sura ke jingekran nawi ke jingekran kata kita tak simit ni nila punya keren. Tapi kerja keli ke pamik nak kalian juni simit lu binbu hang ni. Lock up tang simit lu siswa di binbu lock up simit. Kerja keren tu khot jong pi apa belum ni dalam kisah.
The Indian Academy of Pediatrics Meghalaya State Branch, in collaboration with Ganesh Das Hospital and the District Early Intervention Centre, orchestrated a vital gathering on April 3rd aimed at guiding and supporting parents of children with Down syndrome. The event served as a platform to educate parents on accessing medical care for their children from infancy through childhood. Doctors elaborated on the importance of vigilant monitoring, urging parents to promptly consult medical professionals upon noticing any concerning signs or symptoms. Emphasizing parental responsibility, the session underscored the significance of early intervention in optimizing the well-being and development of children with Down syndrome. Attendees were equipped with knowledge, resources, and encouragement to navigate the challenges associated with caring for their children, fostering a supportive environment for both parents and their precious ones with Down syndrome in Meghalaya.
Di India ni dalam bahasa ko sahaja mut ki pediatrician kami hapo India berapa di meeting deh action plan jumi jom tahu senyum jom presiden jom ke Indian Academy Pediatrics jom senyum arhajar husau arhajar husan ni ko aban ni long ini ke action plan ke loka plan kalau bangin deh ini ke IAP kibar komite kisah bangin ai ke jintip mau ke batikna ke biang ke batikna yaki paiba yaki paiba pailang ke jong di India jongi barokowe bangin sapriang siapang ke jintip ke bakhambah yaki kelun dikenal badon kemujik sitong ke Down syndrome di thalassemia berguna Jepang donasna nang tapde anemia ta yakini bagi Jepang kom obesity na menta ki pon yo bon ikhlon ki basngar no iba basngar iba hebrio ki balong basngar ni marki makiru ki lam ke Jepang jongki nang ta pres ki Jepang ko ata zabi de yakini ki Jepang ni ko ban priam ban ni ko ban ni sno kri lang mangi ki member jong ki Indian Academy of Pediatrics lang bat ki pa ba bro khat jong region ni ba ki India bro ko ba ki tips khamjana ki jing asu mare ki jing kumno bikin le nado dang kha la ngila bani yo ki nado dang kha ko ngila bani ya shibon ke bro khai bungi ya rab ki ba kini ki lo ki khna kin long ki ba he basan ki ba biar ga jing ko jing kia ga jing karniang ga jing he ga jing san na ta ka na ka jang ko ka kia ga gin long ki ba biar ba kini long lam selesai lang ba ki we ki khna ki ba long kiba long normal ma kumut kiba dan kan ko jing shitong bakin la ban ya lekai lang bakin la ban ya nang ban kren ban le lu ki kam lu bakin long ki khna kiba ko bakia bat kiban ngila ban long kaim lang sa lang lu kan biang bakin long ki khna kiba long ki burnai gilong ke lawai ba burnai jumi ba
Asan ni
kani na do dang pun kani neki jeans mo kini neki jeans to namar kata na do dang pun ru mentang hari ban screen o ya ki me ki baki armet na do ngila ban screen ban ngila ban tip ngila ban perkhat bal laban dai laban dan garis ban yo ini ka down syndrome to la ni tip kata ko mare kha ngila laban plan ki kuno ban ya na do dang kha adang yo ki na do dang kha ko ngila ban ya rap shibon ngila ban shibon ki subor ngila ban screen ki lu jing shitong beran ka mer jing ki ko ngila ban yo ki heart disease mo ki jing pak longs na ni ngila ban dan jing shitong ki smear ki Khubor ni ngila ban yo ki hypothyroidism nani ki jingpang ki khmat ki skor ki ni phang ila ban screen na do dang rate dang ila ban screen na do dang rate ni a ki intervention ko ni don ko ni district early intervention center ni la ban a ki sumare ki don ki therapist ni occupational therapist ki physiotherapist ki speech therapist mo ki ni ki la ban yara be ki ban ai support ki bakin yo ka ko ka khia ka biang bakin long ki jo kum ki parakhna Andai naki jeans kain bawa nak kami kepal ti don pergi belum nombor baru kini yo don tam few proportion lah suppose tadai kami kalau kadai kumba lessons nem karis kalau kumba do sauce pak mut nak kita lah bani yo Down syndrome mo tada shongkrim kham slam la ni yo khlung don dadap sauce nem karis kadang khambon shishu kadang Khuborjylla isu. Dia tambang imla banong ba baru ki la kha ta di khilum kadon ka risk. Nomor kata ngila di screen nado marepun. Nado pedang pun ngila la screen ki batip ki onem nomor kada yo kromosom ba arhuai ba khata idan jaga tentang artli idan do lightly. Ti balai ki ba balong extraordinary. Ni dan ngambil ba ka no tang balong
ham ki bawan semar ham ni ai kembang kan nunggut ai dan
On April 3rd, the leaders of Hnyotrap Youth Council HYC Rimulyang Circle, led by President Dister Borlin Wanyang, convened a crucial meeting with the executive engineer of the Power Department in Nostan. The focus of the discussion was the pressing issues surrounding power supply in border regions. HYC representatives articulated key concerns including the need for an efficient metering system to alleviate residents' concerns over high electricity bills, the urgent completion of pending electricity connections in Maudyang Sam, and the repair of damaged electric posts. Assurances were made by the executive engineer to address these issues promptly. Furthermore, HYC leaders pledged their commitment to advocating for the welfare of the local populace, ensuring their safety and security amidst challenges stemming from the Assam border.
Kita kajimit na kalian jungi ka Hnyotrap Youth Council Rimulyang Circle harangkat kajingi senram lang yung HYC West Kasil District berkunjung kinang kam na HYC Moe Circle kibudi presiden yang kamu merinunit nilayo banwan kendu ya executive engineer jong ketenat MECL halor kini kimat berki jing dawa haju kapor ba ni na kaliang jong ka HYC Rimulyang Circle nilai usna we ka jing ud jing nam jong para dong para thain hakilam haki bun kili ki benai bun kili ki snam habaya dei ba ka jing kiu ka bilaj but idon ki kiwe pada ki jing ki bawa ki wakta ki dong sedang lingba ki jing bompiang su ki khamtam ki post like ber kiwe ki tiar ki ba tenang kam ha kate ka kalan tena kalian jong ni ka HYC Rimulyang labu ni ki south li ki mat ki ba ya dei ba ni na ka sengi dawa ba na udai ban yarab lem dai ha ka jing kren ga jong ni na kalian jong executive engineer ola udang dei observe udang wan join mai udang kendiat benai hangni hapo ke distrik ke jongi rei na kaliang jong i ila Khubor ber ila kularu ba simkhia ya kini kimat ki bangi seng ni labu ber ila pesngau agane kajing lek ya kendu ke jongi mata kasi amat ka baningkong ba kajing kwa ke jongi kalong ba man pentri kam no documentary system kenang ba kinong sung kinwan ra kajing mentoi ber kai ber kin yo ban penon kam hok ba kin siu hok ya ka ei ka ba kinong sung penon kam ya kalai nor kumbang yu i baro si kata kalong ba idon ki snong ki ba du lai kam tang polior ki du lai da ki bnai hnrei ka bil lai pada ka poi ki bil ka lai spa sa spa ka kani ka penlong ba nakaling jungi kren ka basai ba kalong kum ka jing lutino ya ka hok jong kini ki bom penon kam lai hnrei ka bil lai pada ka poi lada siur sa lada siur ka kalong kumba kikim pendon kam hendai ki habendi siu ke ka balakuna tena kalian jungi ka sangi da wajur na su engineer ba lagu no kumdon pendon kam no da ki meter system kumba ngi layu i labun tili kilong ying hapo ka dong ka thangi jongi ki bayo ka free connection lada ki wan ban pendai ya ka tega like ka ba free connection lada kim thi ka metar kim sa hero ban wan ban connect ka tega like teng yu i ba kata ka jing thit metar lada kim tere kam kalong be an dan rei na kaliang jong extreme engineer habang ila yakran le tai sani ya tai thir bhai gane kamat kalong ma i ila kular ba lagu no kumno kinong chung sunong la dakila ban thit metar mar ila kren ga basai bana office kila ban namdon metar dakila ban thit na euro kini metar ban pendai bi baro kilong ying ba detang ta ba kila ban le no daka reading metar tengi sngau ban ai kublai ya extreme engineer ba ila sim ne ka rai berkane ga jengkar part ki jongi bola kloy ban yarab lem ya kan ke jingkar pat ke jongi te halor ke baya dei berkamar ka baar kumbang li i la bun tilik snam la ngam baklah ki arsna mai snam ke balalai habaya dei berkini ki jing ban wan connect ban I like ban I boarding hang te po snam modian snam.
The South Asian Fellowship of Golfing Rotarians has announced the organization of a Rotary game in Shillong on April 4th and 5th, 2024. Subhashish Chatterjee, the General Secretary of Rotary Shillong Club, extended a warm invitation to all to participate in this event. Highlighting the global reach of Rotary Games, Chatterjee emphasized their role in promoting tourism, marking the 4th occurrence in the South Asian Fellowship of Golfing Rotarians. This initiative not only fosters community engagement, but also aims to enhance tourism prospects, furthering the development of Meghalaya's vibrant tourism industry.
This event, which has been organized for a cause here, myself, past governor, Rotary Subhashish Chatterjee, from district 3240, let me clarify. Rotary has a geographical area as denominated as district, and 3240 is consisting of entire northeast 7 states, Sikkim and Bangladesh. So that's Rotary District 3240. You can see there also 3240 related. So 3240 is doing a golf tournament every year, and we have a title of this tournament is Win for Cause, because we from this tournament raise some fund, and that fund goes for benevolent projects, and we focus on air polio. Perhaps you are aware that Rotary's commitment to eradicate polio from the world. And in 1985, Rotary thought of eradicating polio from the world, and till now removed polio from world from 106 clubs. Unfortunately, we are still not 100% reached to our goal, because two countries, our neighboring countries, Pakistan and Afghanistan, are still having polio cases. But Rotary's commitment, not only for India, because India is polio free for last 10 years, but Rotary's commitment for entire world. So Rotarians are committed to support this cause, and this tournament is for that cause only. Every year we have this tournament in different cities of 3 to 4, as I said, in the geographical area. So this year we have chosen Shillong to have this tournament in the month of April. It's supposed to be the best time of this year for visitors to come. And the motto of this tournament is to have a win for cause, as I said, but at the same time, we want to promote the local tourism and Meghalaya as itself. Because we are having players coming from Southeast Asia. So we are having players from Bangladesh, Nepal, and entire across India. And many of them first time coming to Shillong or Meghalaya to visit. So we want to portray or to promote Meghalaya to our Rotarian golfers. Through them, the larger crowd will come to know. I'm thankful that Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong, who is the local Rotary Club, they are the local host for logistic purpose of this tournament. Otherwise it's managed by the South Asian Fellowship of Rotarian Golfing Rotarians, SAFGAR in short we call. And SAFGAR is an organization of Rotarians who has a passion of playing golf. And we have members across South Asia. And I'm fortunate, let me introduce, he is Navdeep Chawla, who is from NCR, New Delhi. He is the Vice President of SAFGAR, SFGR. And next to him is Rotarian Ramesh Bhandari, who hails from Jaipur, and he is the General Secretary of SAFGAR. So, as I said, this tournament is being under the guidance of SAFGAR. So, the people are here to guide the tournament as well as to play and support the cause as well. So, this is in a nutshell I have briefed. If you have anything, we have 4th and 5th, we'll be having inauguration tomorrow and we'll be having the final tournament on 5th. And I will.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.